welcome to our first ever video, guy, of doing a car camp.
Yeah.
This is a Ford Focus. We got this the other week because my camper van, what it's in, it broke down. So me and my daughter and our little pooch is trying it out. I've got the back thing up there still, because that used a bit of a shelf actually. We could take it down to make it a bit better, maybe, but at the moment it suits us. This is daughter's side, that's my side. We tried it, we put the little lights up, things up. We've got a curtain, it's almost a blackout curtain, so that would do. And I don't think you guys have seen our little dog, Rosie. Come here, sweetheart. This is our little Jack Russell, and she's called Rosie. And yeah, go Rosie, and yeah, sweetie. Good girl, ain't you? Good girl. She's about 7 months old or something. Oh, she wants to get in. You can get her in. You can get her in.
Come on, Mummy. Come on. Good Pop. Come on. Child. Oh my God, don't.
Well, you should get your shoes used, well, instead of leaving them outside.
There she goes, she'll sleep there now.
So I think maybe next week we might go somewhere proper, because we were just at my mates at Blackpool where we car camped before. Well, we camped in the van before several times, so we thought we'd come and try it here first, and then we got a bit of room, and then I know what stuff we need and what stuff we don't need. That's the dog's bone, and there she is. Don't you bone? Don't you bone? What's this? Don't you bone? Don't you bone there? So we're hoping that the dog will settle down tonight as well. Oh, do you want this bit? Want that bit? So we got plenty of room. I've tried it anyway, and I'm right enough in it. I can fit in it and that, which is the main thing really, because I don't want to be in a cramped vehicle trying to get sleep. Hi guys, well, you've seen the video, we're in the car. There you go, this is it. And I'm lied down here. And my daughter's just outside running with the dog. There she is. Ugly face. Yeah, so here we are, just do you a little bit loop round there. Oh, you can see that's how much room I have there, my feet. I don't know. So yeah, so we're doing car camping tonight at my mates, and I think next week I might meet up with, go in the woods. I'm not going to tell you where, but might meet up with a friend. So we'll see about that, and we'll see. Yeah, I just thought I'll show you and that lot, that curtain, this curtain here above me. Yeah, put it up there and that. I've just had a curtain, you know those old white curtain pull rail things, you know those wires, pull wire, curtain wire. Yeah, on the curtain wires, it's one of them, and he had it in my van. So I've just cut it down and I hooked it up so it goes in that bit there on that plastic, to that plastic up there, and these little lighties here, it goes round here and up onto that one up there, and switch is up there. So we got little night lights, but I don't think we'll need it, but my daughter normally likes nighttime lights anyway, but I'm not real fussed. So yeah, so like I said, we're staying at a friend's, just me and my daughter. We're just going to see what it's like, see if she likes it. I think she will, because it's a bit different, because she'll have to go outside to go to the toilet, whereas in the van we could we can go to the toilet in the van. No, it's easier. Here it's a bit hidden, and that's the other problem with it at the moment, where when we go camping in the van, I'll be alright, I'll go in the bushes, but my daughter won't. She's a bit, I suppose, a bit more ladylike, I suppose, if you want to say that. She'll go a bit more ladylike, and she doesn't want to go. Yeah, so I just thought I'd make a blog anyway, bit of a update on what we've been doing, which hasn't been much. And since 2020, like I said, since doing those other videos, I've not had time to upload or do them. My daughter's coming, won't she? Come in, get a bit of a refresh. Don't lose the dog now. So better not lose the dog, because my daughter would be heartbroken if that dog went missing. Yeah, as I say, in 2020, when we did the 14-day tour of Dumfries and Galloway, that's it. I try remembering it before, but Dumfries and Galloway. When we got back, it was a nightmare trying to do the videos and that. I started a new job. Oh, something. What?
It was just a dude, and he had a dog, and it was like one of those things. And then what it is, I'm like, hopefully she didn't notice it. And I was like wondering where she was, and I saw a black thing out there, and I was like, it better not be her. So I looked at her, and it wasn't her. And she came running behind me, and I just grabbed her.
All right.
It's like, bro, no.
Okay.
It's chops. I'm not doing that again. It's very cheeky.
And there's the story of that. Yes, like saying in 2020 we did that in the summer holidays, and then what was it? In September, I started a new job. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Yeah, because it must have been, because this is my third term now, so almost this September it'd be complete 3 years sort of thing, working at the same school. Yeah, because I started 2020 because I got bloody COVID in October 2020. So I mentioned that word. Ooh. But yeah, I got that off the kids or the teachers at school, with one of the two. But yeah, so I've not had time, guys. I've been working through the other ones and trying to get videos uploaded from it. And I'm hoping to try and get some time now. Because also I was doing college work as well. I had my teaching and learning at college. So I had that. I started a new job. I still had to finish me. Did I finish me? I think I might have just finished me maths and English. What I had to resit, and I had to do all them. And my college, I started level 3. And like I said, car camping is something where I see a lot more people doing, and I can understand why some people do it, because having a van myself, which doesn't work, it makes it a bit easier, I suppose, more discreet to park up. Ours doesn't yet, because we haven't got tinted windows or nothing proper. We've all got this curtain here at the moment. So that's why I decided to come to my mates and then see what it's like and see what I need to do and things like that, to make it a bit more comfortable and feasible. So guys, it's just a bit of an update, like I said, on it. Yeah, I'll hopefully speak to you in a bit. Bye for now. So guys, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning. So I'm making first coffee, and daughter's up, so yeah, too bad. Yeah, so it's 6 o'clock in the morning. It's about 10 past, I think, now. So daughter wants waffle, so I'm going to just boil the kettle. We're going to get her a waffle. Something that long, I'm not that long, so. Yeah, so always first night car camping, so how's it gone? Let's think. it was alright, but I don't know why I didn't put another cover, because I just things out. Because there's never enough room just for me and daughter in the bed, and now we've got a dog in there, and she was in between us. It pulled our covers off us either side, so I've got a bit of coldness at one side. But yeah, I never sleep the first night when I'm away anyway, never do. So I do need another night away. I don't know if do it tonight or not. I'll see young daughter. If they did, I think I'll park somewhere else. But I need to get me window covers done first, to be honest. Yeah. So we'll just see what daughter wants to do. Apart from that, it's just normal really. Even in my van, I don't sleep so well at night. Not on the first night anyway, I never do. It just takes a while just to change the bed, everything. It's just, I don't know, it just sort of like that for dollars, and I never sleep too well. But then, once it's there, like I've done another night in it, in the car, then it's fine then. Perfectly fine. So, yeah. What? Dog's what do you want? What do you want? Watch it round here though. Will you go out round here? What do you want? Oh, there you are. Oh, baby. How did you like your first car camp? Was it good? Like it? I think, no, kids. I think that might be a yes. You get cold, you reckon? You get a nice little warm jacket, won't you? Yes, you will, won't you? Get you a nice warm jacket. You're a good girl, aren't you? You're a good girl. Well, it's only the kettle. What's it with that? You're shivering, sweetie. You're not going to go back inside. You're not going to go back inside. Hmm? Come on now.